Welcome to Engineering Chemistry. Today I am discussing about the topic problem basing on EDTA. Here 1 gram of CaCO3 was dissolved in HCl and the solution was made up to 1 liter with distilled water. 50 ml of the above solution required 30 ml of EDTA solution on titration. 15 ml of hard water sample required 40 ml of the same solution EDTA for titration. 50 ml of the hard water after boiling, filtering, etc. required 30 ml of the same EDTA solution for titration. Here calculate the temporary hardness of the water. This is the problem basing on the EDTA. Here the problem we have to solve it. Here molarity of CaCO3, molarity of CaCO3 solution, that is M1 is equal to 1 by 100, that is equal to 0.01 molar. Next, volume of CaCO3 solution, that is equal to V1 is equal to 50 ml. 50 ml. Next, volume of EDTA solution, that is V2 is equal to 30 ml. 30 ml. Next, here we calculate the M2 value, that is molarity of EDTA M2, that is equal to how much? Next, here M2 is equal to V1 M1 by V2. Here M2 is equal to 50 into 0.01 by 30. Why? Because all these values are substituted in this equation, we got the M2 value, that is M2 is equal to 0.016 molar. This is the M2. Next, we have to calculate the M3 value. M3 means here M3 means molarity of the hard water solution, that is molarity of hard water solution. M3 is equal to V2 M2 by V3. There is volume of EDTA V2 is equal to 40 ml. Molarity of 40 ml. Molarity of EDTA. Molarity of EDTA, already we got M2 value, that is 0.016, that is equal to M2 is equal to 0.016 molar, and volume of hard water, that is V3, that is the 50 ml, that is the 50 ml. V3 is the 50 ml. Here V3 is equal to 50 ml and M3 is equal to, all these are substituted in this equation. V2 is equal to 40 into 0.016 by 50, that is equal to 0.0128 molar. Here the total hardness, how much total hardness? Total hardness of water is equal to 0.0128 into 100 into 1000, that is equal to 1280 ppm. Next, permanent hardness. How much permanent hardness? Permanent hardness of water is equal to V4 M4 by N4 that is equal to V2 M2 by N2. Next, from this equation we got M4 is equal to V2 M2 by V4. Next, here N4 is equal to N2 is equal to 1. From this we calculate the V2 value, that is volume of EDTA. Volume of EDTA is equal to V2 is equal to 30 ml and molarity of EDTA M2 is equal to 0.016 molar. Already this M2 is we got from here only, that is the M2 value. This is M2 and volume of permanent hardness containing water V4 is equal to 50 ml. 50 ml already in the problem, that is 50 ml. Then all these are substituted in this equation. In these equations we got M4 is equal to 30 into 0.016 by 50, that is equal to 0.0096 molar. Next, permanent hardness of water is equal to 0.0096 into 100 into 1000, that is equal to 960 ppm. Here the temporary hardness of water is equal to temporary. In the problem they are asking calculate the temporary hardness of water. The temporary hardness of water is equal to total hardness minus permanent hardness, then that is equal to 1280 minus 960, that is equal to 320 ppm. This is the temporary hardness of water. Here already in here the total hardness is 1280. Here the permanent hardness is 960 and the total hardness, that is the total hardness they are asking temporary hardness. Here already we got the total hardness, that means temporary hardness of water is equal to total hardness minus permanent hardness, that is equal to 1280 minus 960, that is equal to 320 ppm. This is the problem basing on the EDTA. Thank you very much.